पीछे वाले सब क्लियर हो जाए।
हट जाना बे।
अरे यार
मुंह पे लगेगा तुम लोग को।
पहले मारो तो सही। स्टिक स्टिक। आमिर जी पहले मेरी तरफ देखिए। सर इधर देखिए मारिए सर पहले
अरे पोज कीजिए पहले, यहाँ पर पोज कीजिए। थोड़ा पीछे आओ। स्लोली स्लोली।
हटो हटो हटो। इधर इधर इधर।
वन मोर टाइम, वन मोर टाइम।
इधर आएंगे वो बॉल करेंगे। हो गया।
Amir sir, would you like to say a few words, or do you want to do a little Q&A? I think you should have the mic.
Hello, good evening, everyone. It's so wonderful to see so many golf enthusiasts over here, and it's a game that I'm not very familiar with. One of the few games that I've I'm really into sports, so most games I've played at least a little bit. But golf was not one of them. I do have to say that I'm quite good at नहीं क्रिकेट तो अच्छा हुई थैंक यू नहीं वो क्या बोलते हैं वो मिनी गोल्फ I've played a lot of mini golf, you have these mini golf spaces, and I have to say that मुझे तो लगता है मैं काफ़ी ठीक ठाक हूँ, but I tried proper golf once many years ago when I was shooting for Raja Hindustani, and Kunur golf course पे shooting चल रही थी, and I was watching some people play, and I requested them कि can I try it? I've never played the game. So they were very gracious, and they said yes please. They gave me the club and the ball रखा नीचे, and they said तो वहाँ सामने कुछ लोग चल रहे थे, तो ऐसे उनको जरा हटा दें कि लगभग नहीं जाए उनको. So they said नहीं कोई बात नहीं आप मारिए. So I looked at the ball, stationary ball, and I gave a massive swing, and I was seeing कि ball कहाँ गई, लेकिन it was there only. I had missed it clean, and I was shocked. I said यार ball वहीं पे है, मैं देख के मार रहा था, लगी नहीं ball यार. And I've played a lot of racket sports, so my ball sense is quite good. So I said, let me just try it again. Second time I missed it clean again, and this time I'm really focusing that I must connect. Missed it clean. So then they told me, the golfers told me, why don't you try hitting below the ball? Then you connect it. So I said, okay. And I promise, I really aimed below the ball. And the third time I managed to chip the top of the ball, and it bounced 2-3 times and stopped over there. Then I gave the club back. I said, yaar, ye meri bas ki baat nahi hai. But over the years, since then, I've watched a bit of golf, and I find it's a really fascinating game, because it's really a lot of mind and how you can understand, how to hit a shot, where is the wind coming. There's so many factors involved in golf that it's a lot of mind and focus and concentration. And the fascinating thing is that you're not competing against anyone. No one's hitting a difficult ball which you have to run to, and no, you're on your own. You're competing with yourself, and that's a very unique feature, I think, of the game. So it's a game that I would love to learn. I would love to learn the game and get a chance to beat Amit. Yeah. Amit has had a bet with me. He said that I said कि यार तुझे तो हरा ही लूँगा. अभी देख तू स्टेज पे तो चढ़ नहीं पा रहा था. जरा खुद सोच. तो तुझे तो हरा ही दूँगा मैं. अच्छा उसके बाद वो डरने भी लगा है. Have you been practicing? Every time I call him, have you been practicing? इतना टेंशन मत ले यार. So it's a game that I think is a wonderful game. It's so wonderful to see that the Golf Foundation is, really going out there and finding young talent from across our country and giving them an opportunity to shine in the world of golf. So that's really wonderful, Amit. And my congratulations to your entire team, the coaches who are doing this, finding talent. It's really wonderful, amazing work. and I'm glad to be here to support this endeavor, and I'm always with you guys here. So whenever you need me, I'm there, and all the very best here.